This one's going to get a little dicey because we're going to use some dice. So like I always like to start out doing is I like to make a couple of random cuts because I like to hear that noise. And of course we just use a regular deck of 52 playing cards. And now that I've got my cards randomized and I've got my dice here, let's give them a roll. And I got a 9. So I'm going to count down 9 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That card is going to represent what's called a mystery card. It's going to help me locate other cards. And I need 2 mystery cards because we're going to do this trick twice. So let me flip this over and let me flip this over, and I get a 3 and a 2. So we're going to count down 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's going to be our second mystery card. Now what I'll do is I will take about this many cards off the top of the deck, and I'm just going to shuffle them. Okay, watch me shuffle. I could shuffle them like this in front of me. It doesn't make a difference. And we'll just put them down here. And then we'll take these cards and we will shuffle these cards. And then what I'm going to do is take the top card off, take a look at it, and that's a 6 of hearts. I can't really see that well. And we will bury it in the center. And then we'll bury it again over here. And then what I can do is we could square everything up, and then I could take some cards and put some here and some here and some here. And I would have a spectator actually come by, and then the spectator can like cut the cards. And after the spectator cuts the cards, what I'll do is I'll say we have to find that card. And the way that we find that card is we take a look at this card, which is a 7 of spades. And then we've got our 3 and our 2. I'll add that to the 7. That makes 12. So I'm going to count down 12 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 is our 6 of hearts. So now what we're going to do is repeat the trick. So again, I'll just take some cards off the top and we will shuffle those cards, real shuffle. And then we'll take some more off and we will shuffle these cards. And then we'll shuffle the backs too. And then we'll look at the top card, and that's a 10 of diamonds. We'll place the 10 of diamonds there. We will bury the 10 of diamonds, and then bury it again. And then what we'll do is we will square up, and then we'll take some cards here, and some cards here, and some cards here, and here, and here. And then I would tell the spectator, I want you to come by, and I want you just to cut the cards. And after they cut the cards, we'll put the cards down. And then I'm going to flip the dice over. And then I'm going to take this card, and I'm going to add it to the dice. And we got a 4. We've got a 5, which is 9. And then we've got a 5 of clubs, which is 14. Let's go down 14 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 is the 10 of diamonds. This is a mathematical trick.